Hi everyone, it's Rob again from Borders Blades. Want to show you today a little bit about handle finishing, particularly how I wax my knife handles. So I'm doing a little tutorial today with just an old junk piece of some old cutting board. This is a acacia wood, and I'll be using my 25% beeswax, which is beeswax and mineral oil blade butter that I made. So I had this old cutting board. You can see a lot of wear. It's just wore out, cracked in the dishwasher. By the way, don't put your wood in the dishwasher. I sanded it a little bit. You can kind of see it's got some life underneath it. This is a real rough sand just for the purpose of the video, but I think it'll still do a good job showing how the wax application works though. So we'll go ahead and get started. Grab a little bit of the wax. Just push a little dab on there. And then we'll just kind of work this in. Wipe off the excess. And there you have it. Wow, what a difference that makes. There you go. Thanks, everyone. Remember to hit all the buttons for me. Have a great day, and God bless you.